So in probability and statistics, we are going to have the unit number 1. So unit number 1 is probability and random variables. So before starting the unit, we are going to have the introduction on probability. Then we are going to see the applications. Then we are going to bring the concept which is design thinking in probability. Okay, that is we are going to see now. Okay, one by one we are going to bring all those things. Okay, now we are going to call Ashwita for the introduction part. Please.
Okay, probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with likelihood of the event occurring. So the answer would be either 0 or 1. 0 refers to impossibility and 1 refers to certainty of the event occurring. So in the field of computer science, we are facing many issues now that deal with uncertainty, randomness, and in the field of decision making, it is a very big issue now. So we have many testing methods which will resolve this problem, which will be explained by Govind.
Empathy is nothing but because the challenges that are faced. So here first comes user behavior prediction. User behavior prediction is nothing but predict the user's action and needs. According to the person's needs and action, it can be performed. So here, Bayesian networks is the example. So here failure analysis. Failure analysis is nothing but our system can be performed more efficiently even though the uncertainty. So it is called failure analysis. Data insights. The data insights is nothing but the large data density is more than it can be analyzed even though in the large density. So it is comes under the empathy. Next followed by so next is design part. So in design part there are 3 steps. So first one is uncertainty modeling. It is nothing but quantify the factors according to the probability. And the next one is risk analysis, which is used to analyze the risk like faults and resource limits. So the next one is system modeling. It is based on the probability based outputs. For example, Markov model is the example for this system modeling, which will use to find and analyze the system behaviors in every time, and also helps to categorize every processes like a dynamic process. So by using this, we can analyze the system behaviors and categorize each step. So the next is followed by. So here next comes ideate, which comes under algorithm testing. Algorithm testing is nothing but matrix which compare the solutions. The solutions can be compared and which comes under the algorithm testing. So simulation. Simulation is design feasibility. Then optimization. Optimization is the method which comes under support efficient decision making and the large design spaces. Next followed by here comes prototype, which is the design of the project. So prototype involves some building and testing of this initial methods. In this, first we are testing the A/B testing, so which will use to evaluate the system alternatives with statistical rigor. And the next testing is performance prediction, which will predict the performance of this, and it uses probabilistic methods to predict each system behavior and also calculate the performance in each process.
Here comes testing, which is solution for our problems. And there are many methods, among which is hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method which works upon the decision-making issues. So it is concerned with the user feedback. The next one is interactive refinement. It is works based on optimized probability-driven feedback. So on conclusion, there are lots and lots of problems arising day by day in the field of computer science, among which probability is an important source. Probability is an important source which reduces the occurrence of mistakes. So on the whole, probability enhances design thinking by addressing uncertainty, randomness, and in the field of decision making, and validating the performance day by day, making it integral to robust engineering solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, students. So we'll have a clap, right? So those 3 students are done very good, right? So I'm just recalling all those things. Okay. So first we saw what is meant by probabilities. Probability is an uncertainty. Okay. And we saw a few applications. Okay, so few after that we incorporated design thinking in probability. Okay, In design thinking, how many stages? Yes, it has 5 stages. The first one is empathy. Empathy is nothing but we are collecting the users' pinpoints. Okay, what are the needs of the customers? Okay, then we need to narrow down the problem statement, which is called define. Okay, then after that we are going to have the ideas. That is, we are bringing into ideal part. After that we are going to have prototype. So we are going to have the model for that. Okay, if we need to iterate it, we can iterate the solutions. Okay, if it is comfortable, we can move to the problem statement. Okay, so thank you guys.